It is episode 20 of Lexoween, and I'm going to push back from the spooky, scary stuff today, and I'm just going to do a cute little makeup look. I'm going to quickly do my base, which is the foundation, eyebrows, concealer, and then I will come back to do the contour and everything else. Now I'm going to be doing some contour. I'm going to go into Shadow Fantasy palette and use this orange right here with this one. Yes, this one right here. I'm going to be doing a contour. Not a lot, just a subtle. Bake my face. Beautiful Fantasy palette again. Take the dark orange. Use that for the crease. Then I'm gonna take this yellow shade, diffuse out the crease just so it doesn't look harsh and so that it's blended properly, because you have to blend out your eyeshadow or else it's going to look very, very weird and not eyeshadowy. Honestly, I don't even know what to do at this point. You take a flat brush and take this orange. All these colors are still in the Changeable Fantasy palette, and I'm just using this orange as a base before I put on the glitter. Honestly, just patting that on. And then we're gonna go into the Too Faced Life's a Festival Peace, Love, and Unicorns and take Sunset Dream, which is this orange glitter shade, that on the lid. The excess that I have on this brush, bringing that to the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take another flat brush and use Fun in the Sun, which is this yellow shade. Use that as my inner corner color. All of You Forever palette by Violet Voss, and taking Infinity, which is the black shade. And you guys already know the drill. Eyeliner. I stopped doing dark brown eyeliner because I do wear lashes now, and my lash bands are black. So I just put on a coat of mascara so my blonde eyelashes don't blend in with the black lashes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the e.l.f. Peach Squad Duos, the blush, and add that to my cheeks. And add a lot. Take this orange, not orange, flat brush. I need orange again. It's the same orange I used for my lid. Mixing it with this orange. Drawing 2 jack-o'-lanterns on each side. Make it a good size where you can draw. Take a black and draw a jack-o'-lantern. Now I need green for the stem. Mixing the dark and light green in the Fantasy palette. Here's the hard part. The bats. So let's attempt to draw these things. I did it. the orange that I used for my eyeshadow. So the Sunset Dream in Too Faced. Life's a Festival, Peace and Love Unicorns. Taking this Too Faced Melted Liquid Long Wearing Lip Gloss. This thing is the lashes. Ardell Naked Lashes in the shade 421. This turned out really cute. I don't think it was going to turn out this cute. That's the end of today's episode. If you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and turn on the post notifications so you can notified every time I upload. I upload every single Sunday and Wednesday at 2:35 Mountain Standard Time. So make sure the bell's turned on. Go follow my TikToks. My main is Queen Alexia _YTT. And go follow my beauty TikTok, which is Queen Beauty _YT. I have not been active on my main so much. My beauty TikTok, I've been posting every single day because I am doing 31 days of Halloween. See you guys next time. Bye.